we got the it's kind of sunny out here. I don't know if you can see this, but there's your old frame, and that's the motor I took off the frame that I'm giving you. But here's the new frame. But the cable for the brake stop is too short. And I had two cables. The one I got on it now, and that one on the ground. But kept busting the bracket that holds it up here. That's the last one that I have, but the reason it was breaking it, I guess for this setup, the way it is, that this spring that holds the brake in is too tight. So right now I just got it disconnected so I can find a little bit weaker spring. So I took a brake off of that and pull your air filter. Now, I'm not sure how you had this thing running when it looks like that. That's grass, and I wouldn't surprise that grass going into that carburetor. So I'm getting ready to pull it out to the yard and put some gas in it. That did the oil change yet. It needs it big time. Let's see if she'll fire up. I hope I put the pull stop back on it, the pull rope, just to see if she's going to run. But as of right now, the brake ain't on, so we might be running it. If I don't find a spring that will retrieve that cable, the only one I got left, and all that brake is when you release the handle. I don't know if you can see it in there, but there's a little shoe right here. That's your brake. And when you release it and the spring pulls it over to the flywheel and it stalls it out, that's what it does. So I'm going to clean this filter out best I can because I don't have none of those. This Briggs Stratton, believe it or not, they're good motors, but they're totally different from the newer ones, that motor there, and the other one that I have in the backyard, which I got nothing but, most of them are Briggs Stratton. So I'm going to cut this one video short and clean that filter and see if I can get her to fire off and see what it would do without the brake on it. And the only time you really need that brake is when you let go, you know, it just won't shut off. I mean, me personally, I don't need that safety crap. Basically, that's all it is. So I'm going to cut this one and this video, and I'll bring it back on after I get it to run. Alright, bye.